Here are 5 things I wouldn't do as a mortgage broker with 15 years experience with my own mortgage. Oh, by the way, this is not financial advice and just my personal, humble opinion. Number 1, I will never pay principal and interest on an investment property loan. For example, on a $500,000 home loan, a principal and interest variable rate will be 3.57% at the current date today. That equals $2,264.81 per month. But on an interest-only variable rate, it will be 3.77. The repayment will be $1,570.83 per month. I will always choose the interest-only variable rate over the principal interest, even if the rate is slightly higher, simply because I want to pay the bare minimum possible and not pay principal and interest off, which means an extra $693.98 per month. Simply because in my strategy, I'm not looking to pay off my home loan as soon as possible. I'm simply looking to hold the property at minimal cost while the property appreciates in value. And whilst doing all that, I want to maximize cash flow. Number 2, I will not cross-collateralize any of my properties for any home loan reasons. What cross-collateralize means is I will never lump 2 properties against one loan and then pull out equity to buy the 3rd home, especially if this home is owner-occupied and this home is an investment property. I will always keep it separate. Reason being is I do not want to contaminate my debt between these 2 properties. Owner-occupied debt should be separated as here, and investment debt should be separated as here. It should never be mixed together. The reason for that is when it comes to tax time, you want to know which property is linked to the investment loan. Therefore, it's easier for your accountant or even for yourself, you're doing tax returns, to calculate the tax deductible on the interest on what property. Now, I see a lot of amateur brokers suggest clients to cross-collateralize and lump it into one loan because it makes their job easier, but it's the dumbest idea ever. Number 3, I will never choose a no-frills Franklin's basic home loan. Even if it has no annual fee and it gives me like $3,000 cash back, simply because I need an offset account. I need the ability to make my loan hybrid, which is have the option to fix a portion, make a portion variable. A no-frills home loan doesn't offer that. Yes, the interest rate is very low, but so is your ability to chop, change, and slice and dice the way you want your loan to work for you. Number 4, I will never ever be loyal to one bank, which means every 2 or 3 years I will refinance my home loan, see what is giving me the best rate, what is giving me the best kickback, and I will move, baby. If you're so loyal to your bank, why isn't the bank being loyal to you and offering you discounts every now and then? Number 5, the most important one, is I will never cash out my investment loan and use that equity to pay down my owner-occupied debt. That is the dumbest strategy ever. And if you're dumb enough to do that and then go claim a tax deduction against that, you're the dumbest mofo ever. And so,